All right, we're here on the north branch of the Potomac River. Gonna be here for the whole weekend. Let's get it. Got my boy Luffy with me this time. This is his first camping trip. What do you think, boy?
See what we can do here.
Luffy. Let him wander, but don't get in people's way. Know where he can't go, that type of thing. You can come right down there. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Yeah. You like that water? I'm going with this floating marshmallow. That, not really a fan of the look because it reminds me of corn, but it'll be my new test for the year. Stuck on that rock. That sucks. That was a terrible cast, and I'm paying for it.
Fish on.
Nice.
It's a nice one.
Put this down. Oh gosh, Luffy. Luffy, get back. Go on. Go on. Go. Oh shit. Oh, you brought him right to me. Shit.
Good net job.
That's alright. They'll dry out.
Yeah, it wasn't as I thought it was, but I'll take it.
Alright, Luffy, golly. It's okay, bud. It's okay. Come here. It's okay.
Look at that, baby. Jerry with a sweet net job.
Let's go.
Luffy, first time down at Barnum. Sit.
Let me see that paw. Let me see the other one. No, the other one. Okay. This one. Yeah, that's what I mean. Sorry, boy.
Good boy.
All right.
Good dog. The place for the weekend. It's about ready to eat. Time to eat. I'm going long sleeve.
All right. On to the next fishing hole.
He's just like swimming around.
Oh, come on. Don't follow me, Luke.
You're all right, you're good, buddy. You're good there.
At least he can swim. Oh man, a goldie was chasing it.
Yeah, I see him.
He's not a bad one either. I see boy. He's a Luffy boy. Oh yeah,
nice.
baby.
Nice, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, buddy.
There we go.
He's a flipping and a flopping. Luffy's coming to help.
Oh. All right, didn't get skunked in Barnum.
That's a fish on.
Chunky Cheese strikes again. Ooh, oh, there. Ooh, ooh. All right, I think he's, yeah, I see him swimming. He's good. Again, not as clean as I would like, but a second fish of the spot. There's another one. Three. Yeah, I'd say probably 14. Yeah, I don't know, maybe 15. So that's a nice one. What do you think, Loof? What do you think, Loof? All right, there he goes. To fight another day.
That's a fish on. Goldie. Yeah, baby.
Nice. Let's go.
Yeah. I caught the other one on natural.
Yeah, I just switched to natural.
Check him out, Luffy.
Look at that Goldie swim.
Sweet. Thanks, man.
There you go. Yep. There we go. Back on the board. Number 4 of this spot. Shreve. Yeah. Woo!
Try to chuck this one over there a little bit further. Fish on. So Saturday morning, like, yeah, 7:15. Nice cool morning. All right, let's go make it happen.
Morning of day 2. Luffy's been a little bit of a challenge because, you know, he's learning. He likes to swim out to you. It kind of makes it tough when you're trying to land a fish. Shreve's on out there. Yeah, good one. That's very nice. No, no, come on. Come on, come on, get over here.
How do you get that on camera?
I do.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, I've got it right now. Let Luffy explore this area a little bit.
Fish on. Darting right at you.
At least I
sir.
didn't get my pole tangled up in there.
I think Shreve's back on the board here. Loof, come here. Nice. Another good one.
He's not gonna break any records. Nah, he got off. He wasn't gonna get me anything.
Oh, Dom on with a Goldie.
Oh, snap, Dom.
I could have never been like this.
Got him.
Oh, this is definitely bigger than my first one.
That's a nice fish, beautiful fish.
Nice one, Dom. Nice one.
1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Nice, nice. That's a good picture. This is a good spot to release him. Moving back and forth, pulling back and forward. First Goldie, dude. How big was he?
I don't know. I think 13 inches.
He's like your pet now. He's on fire. He's going back to back Goldies.
There we go. All right, there he is. Nice one. Ready? There he goes.
Nobody wanted this banana pig. Nobody wanted that.
Oh, that's a fish on.
Huh?
That's a fish on.
Like a big.
I haven't decided yet. Nah.
Dang line just came.
He gone. Fish on. Oh, he came off. Oh my Lord. Oh, he's back on. Little one. Little doink. I've kind of lost count. I don't know if I've caught now.
Oh, there's another. Yeah. Well, they're just little ones, but still. I don't care if they're little or not. I'm just here to catch them and let them go. There he goes. He's swimming. That's my 5th on the day, but the first 3 it wasn't recording because I forgot my GoPro at the campsite.
Yeah, they were jumping yesterday evening. Oh, there you go, Dad. Nice. Oh, man. Daggone. Yeah, it is. I got him. Yeah. Yeah, it is. There you go.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
He's good.
Well, he won't bite for a while.
Nah, he's done for a while. I'm glad you got one. I'm glad you got
Maybe
one.
the only one.
That's good. That's good. Man, let's go.
Huh?
That was good.
I literally cast it until I see my thing splash right next to me. That's good.
Yeah, it is. Got him. Dude, I don't know how many we've caught today. That's a nice fish.
That'd be good to eat, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's a good
like
eating
trout?
fish.
Well, now what are you doing?
Whew. Fish on. Ugh. Touchdown! Juiced. Luffy, go. I don't know where your hook is.
You go video?
There he goes. There we go, there's another. Luffy, I knew you were gonna do that. He definitely makes it a little more interesting. There's another. Jeez. Luffy, for the love of God. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Oh, that's fish on. Oh, I lost him. Dude, he is still on. No, I'm hung up. I was on a fish and then I lost him. And then I got stuck. Definitely had one on.
There we go. Oh, he spit it. There we go. Luffy, come and help me. There he is.
You know how hard these fish have been fished here today? They have not had a break. Literally, these fish have been just crushed in this hole today.
Where's your stick? Where is it? Where is it? Where's your stick? Huh? Where is it? There it is. There it is. Alright, last day in Barnum. I've got 16 on the board. As a group, we got 35. Gonna hit this hole a little bit this morning, get him back to camp, get him dried off, and hit the road.
Ooh, that's fish on. Small one. with a little teeny tiny dink. Look at this first one. Look at that. What a day. It's 38. Tune in next time. NPO at midnight.
All right, that's it for this time in Barnum. There was a level of added challenge to this one because I brought Luffy with me. He made things exciting. We ended up catching 39 as a group, and I caught 19. So can't complain about a trip like that. About as successful as it gets. We caught some rainbows, a few goldies, but I'll see you next time. Have a good one.